Alright, today we're going to be removing the stem of this Seiko 2K01. This is an interesting one, it's a bit different to all the others. Let's get started. So essentially, all you need is a screwdriver, and that's it. So main mistake is these buttons. Don't press those. Okay, so what you want to do is, this thing is like teeth, right? You're gonna put your screwdriver in there and then twist it just to release the teeth just a little bit. So you need to get the screwdriver right size so it can fit inside and still, like, you know, push on it. So I'll just demonstrate that here. Go in, push lightly, and pull out the crown. If it does that, then I'd try again. Other way. There we go. And so you see this, like, teeth. So if you want to put it back in, you're gonna get this, put your screwdriver there, screwdriver there, right between these two, like jaw-looking things. Put it, twist just a little, and then push it back in. And you can pull it out the same way. Get a nice shot of my hand, eh? So I put the screwdriver there. And twist means that this hand and this one both open.